Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your touch screen not responding to anything on your Nikon Z30. Okay, so you may want to try first going to the menu, then on the left panel select the setup menu and then go up and down like until you get to touch controls. Click on OK, go to the right, and now you can enable it or set it to playback only, and now you can see it works. If I click on something, it works. So the touch screen is there. I can tap, I can do autofocus and stuff like that. So yeah, it is now functional. One more thing is that if it didn't help, try cleaning the screen or try restarting your camera. Unplug it, turn it off with this switch, and then you may also want to remove the battery and put it back in. So let's remove it by opening this door right here. You can see unlock the battery with this yellow lock, and it pops out automatically. Take it out, put it back in, click it, close it, turn it on, and see if it works. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.